Annyeonghaseyo, paraseyo. Hi everyone, it's your girl Mea back at it again with another unboxing video. And as you guys can see behind me, we've got a lot of things to touch up this time because as a lot of you know, I am actually part of the Alliance, which is basically a Legion Philippines brand ambassadors lineup composed of people who embody the stylish yet savage lifestyle. So I don't believe that I embody that, but apparently they do, and I'm gonna try my best to live up to that standard. So first things first, for part 1 of the unboxing series, we're gonna be opening up the Legion Player 1 Ghost Gaming Chair. Now this is actually a locally made gaming chair, so I'm really excited to unbox this and make a review for all of y'all. And I'm also gonna time myself this time because it took a lot of time for me to unbox the last time I tried to assemble a gaming chair. So we'll see how I do it this time around, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. You gotta remove these first. So you're gonna need a pair of scissors or a cutter, perhaps. Just remove the packaging tape. Okay. So, as you can see, as soon as we open the box, this is what we see. A star-shaped... I'm out of breath, guys. Please exercise regularly. Don't be like me. This is basically the base, or like the part where your wheels go on your gaming chair. So, ta-da! We've got a star-shaped thingamabob here. So for future reference, I'll warn you guys right now that if I don't know what the part is called, I'm gonna call it the thingamabob or a whatchamacallit or whatever, because we're not very good at naming parts, alright? So now that we've got the cardboard removed, this part right here is, what do you call it? The back part. Basically the thing that you lean on the chair. The Legion colors, black and blue. And we've got the Legion logo here at the headrest area. I also have my AC off right now and I'm wearing a jacket because, you know, we want to represent. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side for now. So this is the lumbar support pillow. This is the headrest pillow. This is what it looks like at the back. It's got your average garter with, of course, the Legion logo in blue. This is the part that you actually sit on. Oh, do you see the struggle here, guys? I'm sorry, I'm just gonna rip the plastic off. Underneath is where the instructions are at. Lord, this is heavy. Now, last time I assembled a gaming chair, I asked my older sister for help. But this time around, I have my boyfriend here with me. He's gonna be helping me, but he doesn't want his face to be shown on camera, so let's just respect his decision or whatever. This is the part you attach underneath your chair so that you can adjust the height of your chair. This is pretty heavy, but not as heavy as the last gaming chair that I unboxed. Oh, these are the armrests. Remove this. You've got some bubble wrap, bubble. Here's the armrests. So we've got one for each side. Oh! So this little box right here is the one that carries all of the screws, among other things, I think. Oh, here are the wheels! We've got our wheels, guys. So we've got 3 of these. This is how long it should be or how tall it should be. This is the part that helps you raise your chair, I believe. This thingamabob, whatchamacallit. I wish I knew all of the terms to these parts. Here, you've got 2 side covers for your chair. Here's the back part or like the hidden part, and here is what you see on the outside. A few screw covers, I think. This is how beauty bloggers do it. I hope it's focusing now. And last but not least, a bunch of screws and knots and covers. So, before we head on off to this part, I'm just gonna clear this area out so we have some space Okay, so the box is now gone. I'm still here and we're gonna move all of the parts towards this area. I'm also gonna turn on the AC and I might take off this amazing Legion jacket that we're wearing just because it's extremely hot. But big shout outs to Legion by Lenovo for sending all of this over. I'm really excited. I'm really happy with what I'm doing right now. Let's do this. Jacket's off, everything's out of the box. So now we're gonna start our timer and start assembling our gaming chair. Start. I am strong. I am strong. Other side. I am strong. Hell yeah, I'm strong. This is the true test. If you are a true ninja, you can flip this over without the wheels falling off. Call a friend time, guys. I can't do it, but he can. We're trying to be a strong, independent woman. Oh my god, he did that so effortlessly, and I have been trying for the past 7 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, even if I shake it off, it's all good to go. You just need a lot of force to put it in. I am weak. This one goes here, and then this one goes here. Pretty easy, right guys? The tilt tension knob should go on the side where your backrest goes.
Nope.
Is there like an indicator to find out whether it fits for the right or the left side? Apparently, I installed it the wrong way. This should be towards the opposite side. Okay, so now that everything is in order, we flip the switch. Hey, I just flipped the switch. Flip. This is what it's supposed to look like underneath. I remember attaching the backrest before in my previous gaming chair, and it was kind of challenging because you kind of have to put it in place and make sure that it stays there. At this point, we got a little bit late. We're almost at an hour. We're at 57 minutes already. So we're facing a bit of a challenge right now. One of the hardest part that we've noticed about arranging this chair or assembling this chair is the metal to leather connection. Challenge here is whenever we get one side figured out, the other side seems to suffer. See this? This is where you put your screw at, and this is where it's supposed to go at the side of the chair. They should probably put some sort of rubber to make sure that the leather is secured with the metal piece inside so that you don't end up screwing like some other part. Because as you can see, the leather is starting to get a little bit looser because it's kind of hard to locate the thread inside. So we tried this time to put it on the wheels first, just to test out if it's gonna help in the alignment of everything, because this is the part that we've been stuck on for quite a while now. See, the thread of the inner lining is kind of aligned, but look at that, the leather is in the way. So it's kind of making it hard for us to poke a screw through. So one side is down. Hopefully it gets easier on the other side. But as you can see, there is a gap here. That's the last turn for you guys. Just tightening everything up so that it's all secured in place. Yeah, you just place this in like this. Just top it off. Put this here. We snap this in place, as well as this one. And there you have it. How long did that take us, you ask? Almost 2 hours. My god. I'm sure that it should have taken a shorter time, but I did make a mistake underneath, and we had a lot of trouble setting up the backrest. Legion Flare 1 Ghost Gaming Chair for you. Overall, my thoughts on this chair is that it is super comfortable, not gonna lie. I love it. I love the colors. I love the stitching. All of the stitching done on the chair is really neat and clean. As I said earlier, the only remark that I had for assembling this was that it was really hard to connect metal to leather pieces. So I wish that they would do something about the connection over here so that the leather doesn't stretch out and, you know, your chair is fully intact and there are no damages to it. You know, it's a one-time thing because once you install your chair already, you're not gonna be worrying about it. I would suggest that if you do get this gaming chair, you set it up on your wheels first, like the seat part. Set it up on your wheels first and then assemble the back part because it aligns better that way rather than putting it on the floor. I am 5'1", so I feel like this chair is just the right height for me. Thoughts on reclining? Reclines really smoothly. The armrest is just the right level. You can adjust it higher or lower, however you need it to be. The seat is really wide. I love the spacing on this thing. I have so much space. Oops. Overall, great comfy chair. I'm looking forward to doing streams and showing you guys the Legion logo just because I'm very proud of this brand. Thank you so much for sending all of these goodies over to me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share and comment. You know, just give me that engagement and let's communicate better. What else did I miss? I hope I didn't miss anything out. Oh yeah, we're gonna be unboxing a lot more things. We still have the 27-inch monitor, backpack, the mouse, keyboard, headset. So stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next video. This has been Like a Mayor reminding you guys that in everything that you do, always do it like a boss.